Hello, my dear viewers, and today we're going to have a look at another unit that is a more budget-friendly option that has a view on the Samana Bay. It is located in the Samana Peninsula. We are again located in the Residency of Puerto Bahia. I've been looking for a unit that is more budget-friendly, that is up for sale, and this unit became available. So today we're going to have a look at it. This unit is located on the 3rd floor. It has a surface area of 1,750 square feet. It has three bedrooms, 2 big bedrooms and 1 smaller bedroom. The smaller bedroom being the guest bedroom. This unit is going up for sale without the furniture. I'm gonna show you this unit in the way it is right now currently. But keep in mind the furniture does not go with this unit and you'll have to purchase the furniture separately. I think for $10,000 to $15,000 you can fully furnish this unit. Now one thing I have to show you guys is this magnificent view that you have from this unit. I mean, just look at it, guys. Like I said, guys, in my previous videos, the view is always the biggest selling point of any unit. And this unit has a wonderful view. Imagine every evening or every morning waking up or, before you go to bed, just enjoying this view, the sunset or the sunrise. Now, I'd like to remind you guys, this is a 5-star residency with 24-hour security. This is a luxury segment residency. Wonderful views, everything included. Everything is within walking distance: restaurants, bars, cafes, playgrounds. This unit is located in a multi-story building that is on elevated ground on a hill. So all in all, a wonderful opportunity to buy yourself some property. And please pay attention to the price. Let's have a look at the numbers. Specifically for you guys, I've asked for a special offer. Now this unit with 1,750 square feet, 3 bedrooms plus the view and the wonderful residency that it is located in, for the price of $240,000 US. A lot of people have been asking me to find more budget-friendly options. This is one of the best options you can get here. This is slightly over the $200,000 range, but still very good opportunity. So you're paying per square foot $137. Now a little bit about this residency. This residency is a little bit over 11 years old, and have a look at the quality. I mean, this was built with quality in mind. Everything is still intact. Everything is of the best quality. The developers put a lot of effort into building this complex. Have a look at the kitchen itself. Here you can cook your meals and at the same time enjoy the magnificent view that is available for you guys. Of course, the camera can't really show the view, but you can see the ocean right here from the kitchen. Of course, keep in mind that everything here in the kitchen stays with the unit. All the refrigerators, the stove, everything goes with the unit. All you need to acquire is new furniture, and that's it. But of course, that's also upside because you can design this unit to your own tastes and your own likings. So right here we have a very important room outside of the kitchen that the kitchen has direct access to. This is the storage room, the pantry, the laundry room, all in one. Here we have a washing machine and a dryer. And from this side, we have a view or access to the inner court, the yard. As you can see for yourself, this territory has a lot of greenery on it. Farther out there, in case you're wondering, are hills. Just for your personal information. Here we have the small bedroom, the guest bedroom. This is a very small and compact bedroom, but for a guest bedroom it will do. Plus this bedroom has its own bathroom. This bathroom is a full bathroom, as you can see here. Also, it's not very big, but it has everything that you need: sink, toilet, shower. However, if you have maids or a butler, you can use this little room for them. This is probably what it was meant for, but keep in mind you can do whatever you want here. Now let's have a look at the other bedrooms. This unit is meant for a small family of 4, so if you have some children, this is a wonderful option for you guys. So each bedroom has its own bathroom. So right here in front of us is bedroom number 1, well, actually bedroom number 2. Here we have a large queen-size bed. Also, take note that we have a lot of windows here, a lot of natural light coming in. I am a big fan of natural light. A lot of my viewers and people who ask me also make this a big point for any real estate that they purchase. A lot of air is also being let in because of all these windows, so you really don't need air conditioning here. It's pretty cool in here. Plus, this bedroom also has its own little balcony, so you can see for yourself all the greenery here that we have. A wonderful view in my opinion. The territory for this residency is massive, and also it's very peaceful and very quiet here. So also in front of this palm tree that's right in front of us right here, there is a tennis court. So for those of you that like tennis, here you go. Of course, the palm tree is blocking everything, but we have a tennis court here plus a swimming pool. Keep that in mind. I'm a personal fan of tennis. My family is also. We are big avid tennis players, so that's very important for us. And it could be also important for you. Plus, it's a very good way to get in shape and have a good family activity. So right here we have the second bathroom. That goes to the bedroom. Pretty big and spacious, as you can see for yourself. We have everything that you need here. Also take into consideration the very big showering space that you get, plus the window. And in case you're wondering, this is a special glass, so you can see, but nobody can see in. We have another small little window for ventilation, which is very important. It helps combat the mold because it lets in airflow, and the mold is caused by humidity. And I explained that in my previous videos, but still, it's very important to have ventilation in all your property. And here we have a bathroom number 3, and more or less it's the same as the other bathroom. You can see for yourself it's pretty big and spacious in here. And now we're going to have a look at the master bedroom. Here you can see for yourself this room is very spacious, plus you have your own terrace right here and access to this magnificent view. I don't know how to price a view that a property has, but for me, the view is the most important piece, the most important aspect of any unit or villa. Also keep in mind, nothing will ever block your view because this residency is completed, it's finished, it's at least 10 years old, so you will constantly have this beautiful, magnificent view in front of you. So here we are on the big terrace, and now the living room and the master bedroom both have access to this terrace. Here you can put a little table, eat outside, whatever you want to do, spend time with your family, design it as you please, and enjoy this $1 million view. If you found this video interesting or helpful, please hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, the like button, leave a comment below. This has been Yuri from the Dominican Republic. Have a wonderful day.